In this video, we will take a deeper look at the built-in bool data type that C++ gives us. To create a Boolean variable, we specify a type of bool. For example, let's create a variable of type bool named yes that we set equal to a value of true. Then we will output the value of yes to the console by typing std:" cout, then the insertion operator, and then yes. When we run the code, notice that 1 was output. It is important to note when printing out a Boolean value to this standard output stream, a value of true will be output as 1, which is the equivalent of true. Next, let's look at an example where we create a bool named no that we assign a value of false. After that, we will output the value of no to this standard output stream. When we run the code, notice that a value of 0 was printed out. 0 is the equivalent of false in a computer program. The relationship between integers and booleans goes beyond these examples. For example, we can create a variable of type bool named 5 that we set equal to an integer value of 5. Next, we will output 5 is, and then the value of 5 to the console. When we run the code, notice that 5 is 1 was output to the console. This can be read as 5 is true. Any number that isn't 0 results in a Boolean value of true. Another example we could look at is if we have a Boolean variable named 0, assigned an integer value of 0. Then we will output 0 is, and then the value of 0 to the console. When we run the code, notice that the statement 0 is output to the console. Knowing that the value 0 represents false in a computer program, we can read this statement as 0 is false.